Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. Friends, this video contains different style ideas of hand embroidery, that how you can design your dresses with the help of with the art of hand embroidery. Different type of patterns of hand embroidery, like all over embroidery, like long neckline, like without slit neckline ideas, like a kurta style, three style, long border style necklines, some stray style, some unique, decent, and elegant same color fabric, same thread embroidery patterns, and some different type of light color fabric embroidery with long slit lines, some hemline embroidery along with same color spray, and different patterns of hand embroidery have been shared with you. The beauty of these designs is that you can also use these patterns for machine embroidery and liquid embroidery as well, which I have been discussing this into my previous videos as well. The basic purpose is to give you numerous ideas of usefulness of using these designs. Now guys, as you know that Eid is near. Eid is a festival onto which we try our best to share and make a look or create a look of festive and beautiful elegancy. So I would suggest you to do try these patterns and become a fashion designer of your own by sitting at your home. Guys, most of you are requesting me to give you ideas, to suggest you how you can make these more beautiful. And if you really want this, or if you want step by step tutorials, or if you want detailing, or if you want other type of patterns that I must share designing, or latest trendy ideas of women dress designing, then you can comment below the video, leave massive comments, or we can generate a audience poll onto which we can decide that how we can move or how we will keep sharing our designs from now on. So I hope that you are liking the ideas. As you know that Eid is the latest newest upcoming festival, and for Eid we used to wear lawn or summer fabric because the winter is too hot. So I must suggest you to make these patterns onto lawn, onto cotton satin, onto blended soft linen style fabrics. So you will look beautiful, elegant, and formal, and at the same time all of those dresses would be comfortable to you. So this was my request, and you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and stylish trendy ideas. See you soon in the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care and stay tuned for the newest and the more upcoming videos. And please do subscribe if you are watching my video for the first time. Keep supporting us, keep subscribing my channel, and you can subscribe from other devices as well, because we want to increase the number of subscribers, and with your love and support we will be able to do. So keep supporting us. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay tuned for the new upcoming videos.